Hey everyone, so today I'm super excited because I'm going to be bringing you guys another haul video, but this time it's not a PR haul or nothing like that. It's something I bought for myself that I've been dying to get for like quite a long time. I won't lie. I've been wanting this for a long time. Anyway, I was like, March was my birthday month, so I ordered it for the month of March. Just the first week of April and I just got it, but that is okay. I'm so excited because this is it. I was expecting it to be like this, but this is soft. So, this I'm pretty sure is my cat Ladybox. So, if you haven't heard of cat Ladybox, it's a subscription box where you can get like cat lady things, and then you can be the crazy cat lady and you get things for yourself and things for your cats and stuff like that. So, yeah, I'm so excited. I've been like following them for a long time. And I finally, you know what? It's my birthday. I'm gonna splurge and I'm gonna get myself one. So this is my cat Ladybox unboxing. And I did get the crazy cat Ladybox because I've got 4 kitties. So yeah, let's get into it. I'm really excited. And like the softie is obviously gonna be like my shirt or something. So I'm like, oh, it's like a box of goodies and then my like clothing items. I'm really excited. So I got the one where it's like, oh, it's my cat Ladybox. So excited. See? Cat Ladybox. I'm so excited. Ooh, what's this? Oh, this looks like a blanket, actually. I'm not kidding. This looks like a blankie. Well, let's open this up. And I honestly think it's like, you know, $55 or something like that. So, not bad at all. Oh my god, this is a freaking blanket. I got a blanket? Oh no! Okay. It is a blanket hoodie thingy that you wear. So it's like, I'm cold, so I'm gonna wear my kitty blankie. And then it's got these pom-poms. Oh my god, it's like my kitty cape. I will stand up so you can see my kitty blanket cape. Ah, I love it. I got this cute kitty blanket cape. This is so cute. I love it. I'm really excited. I love blankets and cozies like this. And the cool thing about this is the cats will love it too. I don't know if I got this as like an extra or if this is part of my thing. Oh, so cozy, so comfy. I'm like, I'm happy. So, let's get into the cat Ladybox. So excited. Because I get Meowbox for my kitties, so it's like Meowbox for me kind of thing. So excited. This is it. This is a nice card. Just kind of says what everything is. I'm not going to look at it because I don't want to peek, but that's really pretty. I'm so excited. Ava's coming over. Oh my god. I'm so excited. Okay, so first thing I see is this kitty cat wireless charging pad. Wirelessly charge your compatible devices with this adorable cat-shaped charging pod. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. So I could just put my phone on there and charge. Oh my god. This is really cute. On this it says Cat Ladybox donates a portion of all profits to cat rescue organizations. Thank you for helping us help cats in need. It was in the bag that it came in. What's this? Oh, this little thingy. It's like a little, it's got like little pads, so it looks like it's like a little coaster or something. It's adorable. I'll like look after just to make sure. Ooh, we got a butterfly toy for the kitties. Nice little butterfly. Ava, you want a butterfly? Ava, butterfly? And then they also, oh, they got a pot of gold. It's a pot of gold. You see, it's a little pot of gold. Ava's playing with them now. Okay, oh, then I have a shirt. And it says, oh, be kind. But look at that. I love this. That is adorable. I love gray. I love V-necks and his kitties, and it says be kind. Oh, I love this. And then last but not least, I have a stainless steel insulated bottle. I wonder if it's gonna be like cat themed. Oh, it is cat themed. This is this cute little kitty. So that is my cat lady box. So now I'm gonna look at that card just to figure out what that thing is. So we have the Poppy Cat stainless steel water bottle, which is this. Retail value is $24.99. The wireless charging pad is retail at $22.99. The Be Kind shirt that I just showed you, $19.99. And then Perfect Cat bamboo trivet was $14.99. Yeah, protect countertops from sizzly treats with our bamboo cat trivet. Grab it for backyard barbecues, indoor table decor, or even use it as a mega coaster wherever drinks pile up. So yeah, that's really cute. I'm really excited about this. I'm really excited about this. Like, this is something I'm going to use. Like, you know, I love cat things. And I really love my little hoodie thingy, which I think I did pay extra. Like, oh, Texas in the box. Hey, Tex. So I did pay extra for the little hoodie thingy, but yeah, I wanted it. Everyone loves this. Gotta love the boxes that bring everybody together. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed my cat lady box. I definitely think it's worth trying, and like I said, like, this was like the extra thing I added to it. It wasn't too expensive, I know that, but it's so cozy and cute, and I love this, and I just want to wear this. I'm definitely gonna get lots of use out of this because I'm always cooking in the kitchen. This for sure, my shirt. I might not use my water bottle just because I have lots of water bottles, but it is super cute. I love that. It's just, yeah. But Tex is now in the bag it came in. Is everybody just happy? Everybody happy? Hey, Tex? Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video, and if you want, I'll leave the link to Cat Box down below, or Cat Lady Box down below, and you guys subscribe and, you know, try your own box. And I'm just like so in love with this thing, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed and enjoy my excitement on my cat lady stuff. So yeah, I will talk to you guys again soon. Bye.